Today's Canvas Win deals with missing grades in the gradebook. Have you ever graded an assignment and then gone back and looked and saw all of the grades are now missing and grayed out in your gradebook? What is going on? Why did this happen? This happens a lot when instructors have cross-listed their course and are assigning different times to different sections, or when instructors are trying to give a new window for a student that maybe needs to make up a quiz or an assignment. To see what's happened, let's go into this assignment. We're going to click on the Edit Assignment Settings and scroll down to the very bottom and look at the Assign To area. Instead of being assigned to everyone, this is just assigned to Section 2. We can leave Section 2 or the individual student with their own availability window, but what we need to do is go in and add another Assign To box that includes everyone. When we select everyone, it's going to give us the language everyone else, which means that our sections or individuals will have one window and due date, and everyone else will have another. The everyone else is what's going to make those grades reappear in our gradebook. So let's click Save and pop back. Go back to Grades, and we can see that our grades have magically been restored simply by including the everyone else in that Assign To box.